Welcome to EduQuencher. In this session, we'll cover how tutors can create their accounts, set up profiles, check availability, manage bookings, and get paid for sessions. Let's start with creating your tutor account. First, go to the EduQuencher website, www.eduquencher, and click on the register button in the top right corner. Enter your full name, email address, as well as a secure password. Finally, click on the I agree to terms button and sign up now. Let's move on to setting up your subscription with EduQuencher as a tutor. On the top, click on the subscription option. And since you are joining as a tutor, you will click on the Buy Now option under the tutor. Enter your credit card information, date of expiration, and CV number, and click Send. After you've entered your credit card information, you will receive a screen that looks like this: Payment successful. Note there is a 50-cent hold on your card. This will be refunded back to your credit card. Next, we will finish setting up your tutor dashboard. Click on the Go to Tutor Dashboard option. Finish the small questionnaire. Enter which subject areas you would like to tutor or teach. Enter the total number of teaching experience you have, the number of years, your previous tutor rating if you've had one, teaching certification. Do you have an active teacher certification? Yes or no? Enter your full name, as well as your qualifications, and write a brief biography about yourself. Note that this biography will show up to those that are looking for tutors and coursework. Additionally, include your alma mater and select the Next option. Next, we want to know, how did you hear about us? Facebook, social media, LinkedIn, or were you referred? We've left a box for a comment. And if you select referral, please enter a person's name in this field below that indicates who referred you to EduQuencher. Click on the Next option. In the next field, you'll be prompted to upload documentation so that our team can verify your licensure, certification, and experience. Click on the Upload option below each of the required documentation noted below: resume, additional documents, and certifications. You will then be prompted to upload documentation directly from your computer. After these have all been uploaded, simply enter the amount for your pricing. This will be the price per hour and which learning mode you would like to offer: live classes, tutoring, or recorded. Next, select the Next button on the bottom. Next, you're prompted to read through the tutor terms and agreement. Please read through this document in its entirety so that you are clear on what you are agreeing to and what is required for a tutor with EduQuencher. Now you are required to answer all of the questions below to show that you agree to the terms. Select I agree if you do agree to these terms. Enter your first name and finally your last name. Click on the Next button. Now you are prompted to upload your identity verification. We are requesting that you upload both your ID verification as well as your W-9. When you click on the upload box, you will be prompted to upload documentation directly from your computer. Once both of these documents have been uploaded, click on the Next option. From here, you're being asked to schedule a screening call with someone on our team. Select 3 options in which you could be on a screening call, and then click Submit. Now let's look at creating your tutor profile by subject. For example, you'll want to create a math profile and a science profile for learners so they know what's available. Click on the My Tutor Profile by Subject, then on the Create Profile option in the top right. Fill in the details of your title. Keep in mind each one profile for each subject. Specialization, the total years you have of experience, your education, certifications, if you are certified, your hourly rate, which you set, a short bio on you. Again, reminder that these will be shared with learners, your teaching philosophy, add any languages that you speak, and finally, your time zone. Select Create Profile. Your profile has been created. Once again, it's important to create a profile for each subject or area in which you will be teaching. Once profiles are ready, you can create one-on-one time session slots. Simply select the subject profile, the date, time, and set the action duration. We'll start by clicking on the Create Tutor Availability. Pick on our profile that we created. You will probably have multiple profiles, so ensure that you are selecting on the right profile for your availability. Set your availability. Enter what subjects, class level, and a price that you will be charging. Click on the Create Availability button. Your tutor availability has been created. You can also set up group sessions the same way by clicking on the My Group Sessions and following the same steps. To review our main menu again, you now have an option to see your calendar with the dates in which that you have put your availability, any recordings that you have trained, your tutor bookings, anything that you have assigned or that has been set up, as well as any referral credits that you have received, and transactions. You will be asked to upload your banking information, and payment will be received on the 15th and 30th of each month for any transactions. That's the core of EduQuencher, an all-in-one platform that makes it easy for you to manage profiles, session schedules, communicate with students, and get paid on them without extra admin work. I'd love to hear what questions you have about using this with your team, and we'd love to set up a short follow-up session to walk you through this if you have any questions. Thank you.